So like on 28 through 30, you're going to have the Pythagorean identity. It's basically that if you just have sine squared of whatever your angle is plus cosine squared of whatever your angle is going to be equal to 1. Okay? So if we go... Now if I have tangent of 4.7 and cotangent of 4.7, okay? Now it says to do this without a calculator. There's one question that it says to do without a calculator. Do you think I'm going to know if you use a calculator? Probably not. So realistically, like on 28, you just have to know that you can do like tangent of 4.7, like you're just going to type that in, right? Cotangent, though, like whenever you do this, because these are getting multiplied together, like on here, okay, then you're going to have tangent of 4.7. Now, it's going to get multiplied with 1 over tangent of 4.7. Because what did I do with the cotangent? What did I turn it into? Like I don't have a cotangent button on my... Yeah. So, and realistically, what's going to happen to this? Like if I have tangent of 4.7 over 1, and I'm multiplying it by 1 over tangent of 4.7, what's going to happen to everything? Like I really don't need a calculator, but it's just going to cancel everything out. And what am I going to be left with? 1. Okay. Same thing here. It's an identity. Sine squared of whatever my angle is plus cosine squared of whatever my angle is equal to what? What was the very first trig identity that was on there? Sine squared of t or theta, whatever you want to call it, plus cosine squared of t is equal to 1. You can use a calculator if you want, but realistically, you shouldn't need it. Now, on tangent squared and minus secant squared, again, it's an identity. Now, it's a little bit different. So, if it's tangent squared minus secant squared, what do I need to do with these two values? Like, what are those two values equal to? What was it? It was 1 plus tangent squared is equal to secant. So how's that going to change as far as if it is minus? Yeah, it's going to be negative 1. Okay? It's going to be negative 1 because if 1 plus tangent, okay, if I'm subtracting these two, if I would move the secant squared over, I would have to move the 1 over as well. All right?